We've all been there, right? You're scrolling through your feed, you stumble on an AI-generated clip, and something's just off. I mean, the resolution is razor sharp, the movement is impossibly fluid, but the characters have this blank stare. The whole atmosphere feels totally sterile. Despite all the millions of calculations happening in the background, you feel absolutely nothing. Welcome to this explainer. Today we're diving straight into a super fascinating and timely challenge. How do we transform those cold, uncanny valley AI outputs into deeply engaging, authentic cinematic pieces? Because, look, generating a stunning image or a quick clip, that's easier than ever. But generating something that actually resonates, something that makes you genuinely care, that is a completely different ballgame, and it's exactly what we're going to figure out today.
So, the big question, how do we make AI feel human? It's literally the ultimate challenge for creators right now. The tech can instantly conjure up endless pixels and flawless renderings for sure, but figuring out how to strip away that robotic stiffness and inject genuine, undeniable soul, that's the real frontier. It's the deciding factor between a cheap novelty you scroll past in a second and a magnetic narrative that hooks your attention and sticks with you long after the screen goes dark. And our guiding light for this explainer actually comes from a very clear directive in our source material. It says, create an educational, cinematic tutorial explaining how to make AI-generated videos feel emotional and authentic. That's our mission statement. It pushes us to systematically deconstruct the exact ingredients needed for true authenticity. So we're not talking about technical specs, rendering speeds, or software updates today. Instead, we're looking at the foundational artistry you need to basically tame the machine and make it speak a human language. To pull this off, we've got a clear agenda. First, the human element. Second, emotion and storytelling. Third, voice and music. Fourth, visual pacing and lighting. And finally, number 5, achieving Netflix quality. We're going to explore this by building a pyramid of authenticity, working all the way from the foundational soul right up to that final cinematic polish.
All right, starting with Section 1, the human element and defining the premium standard.
Because look, if we don't know what the summit looks like, we're not going to know how to climb the mountain. The source material challenges us to reach what it calls Netflix documentary quality. And we're not just talking about 4K resolution or perfect frame rates here. We are talking about a very specific feeling. Think about the last time you watched a really high-end documentary. It evokes awe, right? It creates this atmosphere of intimacy and importance. It grabs you from the very first frame with deep emotional resonance and seamless storytelling. That's the premium standard. The ultimate goal is a cinematic polish so rich that you completely forget you're watching something made by a machine. To hit that absolute peak, we're going to construct our masterpiece by stacking 3 distinct layers of production, starting from the ground up. Step 1 is the soul, Step 2 is the soundscape, and Step 3 is the cinematic polish. You just can't skip straight to the glossy finish without establishing the soul first. And honestly, that soul won't translate to your audience without an immersive soundscape. It has to be a rigorous, methodical build. So let's get into it with Section 2, Emotion and Storytelling, which is Layer 1, the soul.
Just think about the fundamental difference between a cold, algorithmic prompt focused purely on data versus an emotion-driven one. If you tell the AI a cinematic wide shot of a man walking in a city, 4K, hyper-realistic, you're going to get a technically perfect but utterly soulless video of a guy walking. A robotic approach gives you a robotic result. But what if you shift to an emotion-driven prompt? Something like a weary father walking through a neon-lit city street at midnight, shoulders slumped under the weight of a long shift, looking for a glimmer of hope. See the difference? Now you're anchoring the entire piece in human authenticity. You're telling the AI why the scene matters, not just what it looks like.
Because the truth is, without storytelling, AI is just moving pixels around. Emotion and storytelling have to form the absolute bedrock of our pyramid. They're the irreplaceable ingredients that turn random, sterile outputs into captivating narratives. The underlying reality here is that we humans are meaning-making machines. We crave context. If you don't take the time to establish the internal why of your story, the stakes, the struggles, the triumphs, literally no amount of high-tech rendering is ever going to make your audience care.
Moving up the pyramid to Section 3, Voice and Music. This is Layer 2, the soundscape.
Imagine a flat, standard AI voice droning on with zero inflection. It instantly screams fake, right? It breaks your immersion in a millisecond. On the flip side, warm, resonant, and dynamic audio cues pull the viewer so deeply into the world you're creating.
Voice and music are absolutely not just background noise that you slap on at the end of your workflow as an afterthought. They are the auditory pulse of your project. They subconsciously dictate the mood, the tension, and the entire emotional reality for your audience.
Audio cues are literally the ultimate bridge between the artificial and the human. Biologically, we are incredibly sensitive to sound. A subtle shift in a musical chord can make us tear up, and a drop in a voiceover's pitch can make us lean in with intense curiosity. Actively selecting sweeping music and mastering a natural, emotive voiceover is what breathes genuine life into that visual canvas. If your visuals are the body of your project, the audio is the heartbeat. It's the secret weapon that makes viewers actually trust the reality you're presenting.
Which brings us to Section 4, Visual Pacing and Lighting. Layer 3, the Cinematic Polish. These are the crucial visual touches that take our work from a standard AI generation to a truly premium cinematic experience. Visual pacing is all about the rhythmic timing of cuts and visual movement that dictates the energy of a scene. Consider the difference between a high-octane action sequence and a quiet moment of reflection. For action, mastering pacing means using rapid, punchy cuts to build tension, but for intimacy, you need to slow right down. Holding a shot for 10 seconds allows a tiny emotional microexpression to truly breathe. Left on its own, AI usually wants to generate everything at the same boring, uniform speed. You, the human creator, have to step in and serve as the conductor to dictate that rhythm.
And honestly, just as critical as the timing is the lighting. Imagine a flat, default lighting setup. It instantly feels like a cheap stock photo, or like you're standing in the harsh fluorescent lighting of a DMV. That's exactly what gives a video that dreaded AI look. Now compare that to a cinematic, moody, and deliberate lighting setup. When you specify things like soft side lighting to carve out a face, or harsh geometric shadows for mystery, or gorgeous golden hour backlighting in your prompts, you completely transform the emotional weight of the image. It firmly anchors the scene in that high-end documentary aesthetic. Finally, we arrive at Section 5, Achieving Netflix Quality, and bringing together the complete toolkit. Bringing all these meticulously crafted layers together is exactly how we execute our original directive and build that masterpiece. Here is your definitive toolkit: emotion, storytelling, music, voice, visual pacing, and lighting. These are the 6 mandatory elements required to elevate your AI-generated content into something deeply engaging. And here's the catch. If you miss just one, like if you have great lighting but a robotic voice, or stunning music but zero underlying story, the whole illusion shatters. The viewer remembers they're just watching a string of code. But when you harmonize all 6, you achieve something magical. You achieve true cinematic resonance.
So as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one question to ask yourself. If AI provides the pixels, will you provide the soul? AI is an incredibly powerful tool, an absolute marvel of modern engineering for sure, but ultimately, it's just an engine. It requires a visionary human driver to give it direction, purpose, and feeling. Keep this pyramid of authenticity in mind to challenge how you approach your very next creation. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I really can't wait to see the authentic human stories you bring to life.